Alam mo, TJ, may kwento ko lang sa'yo. Isa sa mga passions ko talaga is to support local businesses. May ginagawa rin ba yung BPI para makatulong?
Alam mo, napansin ko yan. And yes, may BPI Sinag that supports social enterprises like this one. Itong coffee natin. Itong company kasi nila tumutulong sa mga local farmers and indigenous communities.
Wait, so you mean in every cup of coffee, may kababayan tayo natutulungan?
Maraming sustainable businesses talaga ang natutulungan at napapansin ni BPI.
Oh, nakaka-inspire naman. Alam mo, sigurado ko makakatulong to sa kabuhayan ng marami. So more reasons to support local businesses.
Yes, more than just a coffee, it's a movement for sustainability and inclusive growth talaga.
Kaya kayo, if you want to be part of change, invest in the future. Let's do more for sustainability with BPI.